Elgato sent me a care package, and today we're gonna unbox it, and I'm gonna show you everything that they sent me in the mail. But let's jump into this video. Let's get these things unboxed, get them set up, and we're gonna show them all off to you in today's video. We got three things from Elgato today. We got an Elgato face cam, we got an Elgato key light air, and we also got a new Stream Deck in white version. We're gonna go through all of these things, get them unboxed, get them set up, show you what everything looks like once we get it set up. So one of the first things we're gonna take a look at is the Elgato face cam. Elgato face cam is an absolutely amazing camera. I currently use one right now. This is the front facing camera that is on me right now, but I set up the additional one to show a side view of everything on my desk. Ignore the mess. I've got two cups on my desk right now, but these are always on my desk. As you see, I have my original key lights over here. Cut that camera back off, and we're back to facing me with the original face cam that I have on my desk. But the face cam is an amazing camera. It is probably one of the most customizable webcams out there on the market today. If you don't have one, I would highly suggest picking one up. I've got this one right here on my desk that I've been using probably for a little over a year now. There's a vast difference between it and the original C920 that I had. I absolutely love the customization, the control you have over the face cam as well. Everything from zoom, contrast, saturation, auto settings, or your own personal settings. This probably is one of the absolute best webcams out here on the market today. All right, so let's go through the actual unboxing process for the Elgato face cam, and we'll go over all the little details of it, let you look at it, give you some B-roll of us taking it out of the box. Actually, not me taking it out of the box. I actually had an assistant for today's video. It is my aide that comes, takes, and helps me out during the week and things like that. So she helped me unbox everything for the video. So let's take a look at the face cam, get it out of the box, and show you exactly what it looks like and what you get inside of the box. So now we've got the face cam unboxed. One thing I will say about the face cam is the fact that it adds a really nice secondary view for my entire setup. I debuted this on stream the other day, and people are like, oh wow, that is so nice, you know, that camera looks so clean. I really think for my original face cam, this one right here, I need to clean the lens a little bit. I haven't wiped the dust off of it in a while, so I don't think the picture quality is quite as clear, but I think it is just so amazing, the actual depth and substance that it gives to my entire setup by adding a second camera to my streams and to my YouTube videos. The next thing that they sent me is what I'm just probably absolutely most excited about, and that is the white version of the Stream Deck. The original Stream Deck that I had was one that a viewer sent me about, God almighty, about 2020. It is the original Stream Deck that Elgato released. I absolutely love it. Stream Deck is just so many ways and so many things you can do with it. I use it for video editing, I use it for my streams, and the macro functions of it are just, you know, so great as well, because, you know, me, like I said, you know, with my limited ability and, you know, dexterity, macros are an amazing thing for me, and it makes my life so much simpler. But anyway, the Stream Deck in white version, my desk is pretty much white, a lot of my peripherals are white, a lot of, you know, everything around me is white, and the Stream Deck white version, it blends in so well. My wife even said she absolutely loved the way the white version of the Stream Deck looked at my setup, and I still catch myself looking at it and just kind of messing with it a little bit, because I just love the way it looks in my setup now. But anyway, we're gonna jump in here. We're gonna show you some B-roll of it getting out of the box, taking it out of the box, what it looks like, and you'll see why I absolutely love the way the white version of the Stream Deck looks. Anyway, let's jump up here. Let's see some B-roll of unboxing this Stream Deck white version. So the final thing that Elgato sent me was the Elgato key light air, and this is another one that I am really excited about as well. If you notice lately, I do a lot of unboxing videos on my YouTube channel, and one of my major issues is trying to adjust lighting, because again, it comes down to the fact that, you know, I have limited head usage, and I'm trying to do a lot of these videos in and of myself without assistance from anyone else. And the great thing about the Elgato key light mini is the fact that I can actually move it around on my desk where I need it to be. I can highlight images on my desk or highlight boxes on my desk. I didn't actually use it for this video, so ignore the lighting and the B-roll for all of these videos, but it's gonna make my life so much easier when it comes to unboxing things, setting up promos and stuff for my YouTube channel, and just overall giving my whole stream a better look and appeal by simply having it set up. I can adjust it through my stream deck that I currently now have. Worked out the kinks with it. Got all my lighting set up like I wanted to, and I can use a little key light mini anywhere. I can put it in the back, put it on the side, wherever I need it to be. It is super portable and easy to set up. And one of the great things about it also versus the original key lights is that there is a channel down the back of the key light air that you can actually stick the cable in, and that way you don't have to worry about cable management because it's all handled on the key light air. As you can tell, I fanboy quite a bit over Elgato products, not because you know, I have the name of them, but because they absolutely helped me so much, you know, in my content creation journey, by the fact that they all link up together, they all sync together, and I can control pretty much everything that I have with the use of my stream deck. I can use voice control from my phone to turn things on and off that I need. The camera quality is really good for a web camera, so I'm just absolutely grateful to Elgato for sending me everything out that they did. The key light air, the stream deck, the Elgato face cam, just absolutely amazed by what they've done for me. I don't have a super professional setup. It looks great to me anyway. Anyway, y'all, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing of these Elgato products, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. And until then, much love, peace out, and we'll see you soon.